To create an individual schedule for a worker, click on the date. Select a job or cost center to allocate the hours to. Enter the plan's start and end time and add any notes that might be relevant. You can even notify them instantly by email too. Click Create and it automatically appears in their daily schedule for action. Scheduling a team is an efficient way to allocate jobs to a group without the need for duplication. Click the Schedule Job button. Choose the job they'll be working on and pick a start and finish date. Select the group team color and then any team members for that job. As before, you can choose their working hours and add any notes. You have the option to select specific days in the period you'd like them to work, or leave it unchecked and all the days will be included. Send them all email notifications and create the schedule. Easy.